What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a little review on this road active suspension kit, the no squat kit, the no maintenance kit, according to their website. So I got this dump trailer here. This is like 3,000 pounds. I got about roughly 2 yards, about 4,000 pounds, so 7,000 pounds plus or minus. So now let me show you the truck with no squat. Boom, almost down to the bump stops. So the reason why I'm doing this video now, I've had it for over a year. So here's the setup. Here's the springs already in the truck currently. I'm gonna be going out soon. Let me show you the bump stops. Not even a ½ inch, and that's because I stopped loading dirt. I was expecting a heavier trip, but I noticed the truck squatting. So I know this is a Trail Boss. This is softer suspension setup. This truck with no load is leveled. So yes, I know I was gonna get squat. I'm not expecting miracles, you know? But the reason why I'm doing this now, after 1 year, because we towed that trailer. Gross weight, everything like 9,000 pounds. But the reason why I never noticed it, because on this trailer, we use a weight distribution hitch. If you know what I mean, the springs, the chains and the 2 bars on the sides, you know what I mean? This side I'm using a regular hitch. So just now I'm noticing that this right here never really did anything. And I know you're gonna be saying, no, buy a bigger truck, buy a diesel truck. Yes, that's in the process, that's in the works. But honestly, the way they advertise this, all them videos, they're fake videos on their website. Everyone's saying, oh, I'm towing 8,000 pounds, no squat. Oh, I'm towing 10,000 pounds, no squat. Really, guys? Come on. Like I said, I'm not expecting miracles. I knew it was gonna squat. But that much down to the bump stops, and literally, look how much dirt I have. I was expecting a little more. And now that I got this, you're probably gonna say, that's more than 2 yards. Okay, why I guess I have about 2 yards, because I put base rock in this area. I did 3 yards. I had someone else dump it, right? That was 3 yards. So all that dirt right there, and some of it here, because I had to spread it out because it was just too much. That's all I took out from here. So that was about 3 yards of dirt. So everything else is still here, right? So that's all from that, and some more remaining. So in case you guys are saying, how do you know it's 2 yards? Well, that's why. What I'm gonna be doing now is I'm order a airbag kit from Rough Country. So if you ever are you debating yourself whether you want airbags or this, well, I hope you remember this video. I hope you watch this video, and I'll be showing you with the airbags. I'll be installing them myself. I'm not gonna make a video putting them on, because there's a few good ones online, so they did a great job. I'll put their links down below. But yeah, that's crazy. I always thought they worked. After 1 year, I used the regular hitch, and I'm down to the bump stops. I'll show you guys the next video with the airbags.